this, after this, we're looking for a good place for Puncha, close to the hotel in Ho Chi Minh, District 1. You know good place where to eat? You know Puncha. Anyway, anywhere in Hanoi is good, right? Yeah. Vietnamese is good. And healthy. And Vietnamese is very good. Everyone so far, very nice.
Our address, this address,
Very nice.
what you
Our supplier are based in the Philippines. But
information.
now our business is getting big. Malapit ito. Also, now, this is good for us.
Address.
This is my ikaw say
Oh,
yes, and visit us. No, this is coffee. Spanish latte. Different kinds of coffee. Sugar cane. I have a sugar cane machine. This one is Rizal. I have one in.
Right now we have
different places in
5 or 6 coffee shops.
Xây mặt hạt để mình pha máy, bên đó hay đứng hạt pha máy nó cho chị biết sau này lấy cái mẫu hàng một này ở miền Tây người ta đứng hạt pha máy nhiều hơn ở Nhật Bản cần cái mẫu pha máy để em gửi hạt một
I really have to.
cái sản phẩm cái như là
Salted so we have salted and we also have egg, the cafe